Welcome to Zim Celebrity TV. Prophet Talent chiwenga chinyomba iDesign PFT mevara kashakidedzera timoda kuti tifare nemi imi muri mbavha dzevanhu muchibira nyika muri kutaura nezve interchange. Hapana nyaya pa mbavha dzevanhu tirera munzwenga zvakaoma.
The off-ramping roads are one vehicle lanes. Yes, they have one vehicle lanes. Look at that one. Look at the other one. It shouldn't be a one vehicle lane road. There has to be more than one lane. Because this is a major highway. The cars that are off-ramping from Harare to Glenora, they need more than one lane. The cars that are going from Chitungwiza to the highway, they need more than one lane. Most of those off-ramping lanes, they are one-lane roads. Except maybe for that one. This is a junk road. They should have put 4 lanes on this direction, 4 lanes on that direction. And then they stay like that maybe for 60 km. Then they shrink it to 3 lanes as the road goes forward to Beit Bridge. And we are not just talking about the number of lanes. We are talking about the quality of the construction. It is not good enough. Look at them, they are watering the grass with water cannons. Why couldn't they implement and install a sprinkler valves, sprinkler water systems? Look at it. It already has depressions because of heavy trucks. So don't tell us to be grateful, because we are not Mnangagwa's children. And he didn't build this interchange with his pocket money. Mnangagwa is not a sponsor to the Zimbabwean government. He is a civil servant. This interchange was built by our money. We don't owe Mnangagwa any thank you. Instead, he should apologize